हेलो एंड वेलकम। महाराष्ट्र सेट एग्जामिनेशन पेपर 1 का यूनिट वाइज क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व कर रहे हैं और आज स्टार्ट करेंगे यूनिट 6 लॉजिकल रीजनिंग। क्वेश्चन पेपर स्टार्ट करने से पहले 2 पॉइंट्स याद रखना। स्टिक टू द गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन ओनली, डोंट अज्यूम एनीथिंग। एंड सेकंड पॉइंट, चेक ऑल द ऑप्शंस यूजिंग लॉजिक। इमोशनल या कॉमन बिलीफ को कंसिडर मत करना। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद 2024 क्वेश्चन पेपर। Question number 26. Which of the following conclusions are valid based on the statement given below? Statement 1. Some tigers are goats. Conclusion. Some goats are not tigers. So no information is given related to goats not being tiger. So conclusion 1 is not valid. Statement 2. All political leaders are intelligent. All political leaders are intelligent. Conclusion 2. Some political leaders are intelligent. When each and every political leader are intelligent, it means some political leaders are also intelligent. So conclusion 2 is valid point. Only conclusion 2 is valid. So option B is the correct answer. Next, some buses are standing facing the bus stand. Thane bus was ahead of Nasik bus. Thane bus is ahead of Nasik bus. This is bus stand facing. Which was ahead of Jalgaon bus? Which was ahead of Jalgaon bus? Amravati bus was behind Dhule bus. So Amravati bus was behind Dhule bus, but ahead of Thane bus. But Amravati bus was ahead of Thane bus. So this is the proper sequence. Which is the second last bus from behind? From behind, second last bus was Nashik. So option C is correct answer. Next, in a code language, JKLM is OSVX. Then how DEFG will be coded in the same language? JKLM is coded as OSVX. So DEFG will be coded in. So J to O, JKLMNO plus 5. Then K to S, KLMNOPQRS 8 plus 8. L to V, MNOPQRSTUV 10 plus 10. And M to X, NOPQRSTUVWX plus 11. So D plus 5, A B C D E F G H I, D E F G H I. Then E plus 8, E F G H I J K L M, M. So starting from I and M, D will be the correct sequence. You can add 10 after F and 11 after G. So you will get IMPR. So option D is the correct sequence. Next, in a code language, DAC means 635. Then what will be the code for FEG? So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. D is 6. A is 3. C is 5. Then we have to identify FEG. So if we apply proper sequence, then 3, B will be the 4, 5, 6, E, F, G will be 7, 8, 9. So we need to identify FEG. So F is 8, E is 7, and G is 9. Correct sequence is option D. Option A, 8, 7, 9. Correct option is option A. Next, while facing south, Virat walks 15 meters. So this is north, south, east and west. Facing south, Virat walks 15 meters. So facing south, Virat walks 15 meters, then turns to his right. His right means our left, and walks 10 meters. So he walks 10 meters. From there, he turns to his right and walks 15 meters. Then he turns right and walks 15 meters. Then he turns to his left and walks 15 meters. Then he turns to left and walks 15 meters. Which direction he is facing now and how much away from the starting point? So currently he is facing west direction and 15 plus 10 is 25 meter away. So option B is correct answer. So we have completed 2024 question paper. Let's start with 2023 question paper. Question number 26. In a running race, Rani was behind Shobha. In a running race, Rani was behind Shobha, who was ahead of Aditi. Shobha was ahead of Aditi. Rehana was behind Aditi and ahead of Rani. So Rehana was behind Aditi and ahead of Rani. Which is the correct order from the front to back? So Shobha, Aditi, Rehana, Rani is the correct sequence. Option B is correct answer. Shobha, Aditi, Rehana and Rani. Next, arrange the following terms in a meaningful or logical order indicating a correct sequence. Window, wall, floor, foundation, roof, room. पहले foundation बनेगा, फिर walls, फिर windows, फिर बनेगा roof, 4th point, फिर floor बनेगा 5th point and फिर room complete होगा 6th point. So correct sequence is 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 5, 3, 6 is correct sequence. So option C is correct answer. Next, horse is a herbivorous animal. This statement is an example of perception, inference, comparison or implication. Correct answer is option A, perception. It means the way you see, understand and interpret something. So option A is correct answer. Next, which of the following is a valid conclusion based on statement given below? Some animals are intelligent. Some animals are intelligent. Intelligent animals are monkeys. Intelligent animals means this area are monkeys. So all monkeys are intelligent. All monkeys are intelligent. Yes. Conclusion 1 is correct. Second, horses are intelligent. So क्वेश्चन में horses के बारे में कुछ नहीं बताया, एनिमल के बारे में बताया, पर horses के बारे में कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं दी है या क्या वो इंटेलिजेंट है कि नहीं. तो statement 2 is not correct. Only conclusion 1 is valid. Option A is correct answer. Only conclusion 1 is valid. Conclusion 2 is not valid because horses may be intelligent, but question has not specified anything related to horses. Next, which of the following diagram shows the correct relation among the terms entrepreneur, married, women? So कुछ entrepreneur married भी होंगे, कुछ married women भी होंगे और कुछ entrepreneur भी women हो सकते हैं. तो तीनों का combination होगा. Option C is correct answer. This area represents entrepreneur, then this area represents married and this area represents women. So entrepreneur, married and women का तीनों का combination ये वाला area रहेगा. एंटरप्रेन्योर एंड मैरिड है तो ये, मैरिड एंड वुमेन है तो ये, और एंटरप्रेन्योर एंड वुमेन है बट अनमैरिड है तो ये वाला एरिया. सो ऑप्शन सी विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. So we have completed 2023 question paper. Let's start with 2021 question paper. Question number 26. Arrange the following terms in a meaningful logical order indicating the correct order. Poverty, population, death, unemployment, disease. तो correct sequence क्या होगा? First population बढ़ेगा तो unemployment बढ़ेगा, unemployment बढ़ेगा तो poverty आएगी, poverty की वजह से disease होने के chances ज्यादा है, और डिजीज को अगर प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट नहीं मिली तो डेथ हो सकती है. तो करेक्ट सीक्वेंस क्या होगा? 2 4 1 5 3. 2 4 1 5 3. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट सीक्वेंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 27 is cancelled. The question is wrong. Question number 28. By drinking Bonvita with water gives energy. Bonvita with water gives energy. By drinking Complan with water gives energy. By drinking milk with water gives energy. Therefore, by drinking water, one gets energy. This is an example of invariable relation, fallacy, perception or comparison. So, correct option is option B. इसे fallacy कहते हैं. Fallacy misleading argument होता है जो logical लगता है पर reasoning में error होता है. So, option B is correct answer. It is a fallacy. Next, which of the following are the valid conclusion based on the statement given below? Statement 1 और 2 दिया है, conclusion 1 2 3 4 दिया है, हमें चेक करना है which conclusions are valid. Let's check. Statement 1. All birds are white. So all birds are white. Statement 2. All parrots are birds. So all parrots are birds. So conclusion 1. Some birds are white. Some birds are white. True. Conclusion 1 is true. Because all birds are white, so some birds are white is also valid conclusion. Second conclusion, some parrots are white. क्योंकि all parrots are birds and all birds are white, so some parrots are white is also correct conclusion. Conclusion 2 is also correct. All parrots are green. No. ग्रीन कलर के बारे में क्वेश्चन में कुछ स्टेटमेंट में कुछ भी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं दी है, तो conclusion 3 is not valid. Conclusion 4. Some birds are not white. But all birds are white. तो some birds are not white ये valid conclusion नहीं होगा, तो conclusion 4 भी wrong है, क्योंकि some birds are white का Venn diagram इस तरह से बनता. ये वाला एरिया है जो some birds are white represent करता है. तो conclusion 1 and 2 are valid, but 3 and 4 are not valid. So option A is correct answer. Only 1 and 2 conclusion are valid. Next, which of the following diagram shows the correct relationship among the three terms athletes, women and mothers? तो जहाँ पर तीनों का कॉम्बिनेशन हो सकता है पॉसिबल, क्योंकि some women can be mother and some women and mother can be athletes. तो correct sequence, correct answer रहेगा option B. This area represents women, this area represents mother and this circle is athlete. तो ये एरिया क्या बताता है? मदर एंड एथलेट, क्योंकि मदर इज अ पार्ट ऑफ विमेन, तो मदर एंड एथलेट दोनों कवर करता है. ये एरिया में ये जो एरिया है वो रिप्रेजेंट करता है विमेन एंड एथलेट, मदर नहीं, क्योंकि मदर का एरिया ये वाला है. विमेन, मदर एंड एथलेट तीनों कवर करता है ये वाला एरिया. तो ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन, मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट आंसर. So we have completed 2021 question paper. Let's start with 2020 question paper. Question number 26. While entering into the train, Anil was ahead of Shyam. While entering into the train, Anil was ahead of Shyam. Anil was ahead of Shyam. Who was ahead of Kiran? Shyam was ahead of Kiran. Anil was behind Shweta. Anil was behind Shweta. Which of the following shows the correct order of entry into the train? तो पहले श्वेता, अनिल, श्याम और किरण. Correct option is option C. Shweta, Anil, Shyam and Kiran. Next, if LONQ is converted into JMLO, then by the same principle, what could be the correct alternative for GDJM? LONQ is written as JMLO. तो GDJM कैसे लिखेंगे? JKL -1 करना है, MNO -1, LMN और OPQ. तो -1 करते जाना है. ABCDEFG. So EFG, BCD, HIJ, KLM. So correct sequence will be EBHK. Option A is correct answer. Next, which of the following is a correct description of the given statement? All animals die, human beings are animal, so every human will die. This statement is perception, inference, comparison or implication. Correct answer is option B, inference. It is a logical process of deriving conclusion from given statement. So for example, if all birds have wings, a sparrow is a bird, so a sparrow has wings. So it is a inference. Next, which of the following diagram shows the correct relationship among the three terms women, sisters and mothers? So some women can be sisters and mothers both, and some sisters can be mother. So option B will be the most appropriate answer. This area represents women, this is sister and this area is mother. And some sisters can be mother, so option B will be the correct answer. Next, which of the following are the valid conclusion based on the statement given below? Statement 1, all players are aggressive. Statement 2, some politicians are aggressive. Conclusion 1, some politicians are not aggressive. So conclusion 1 is invalid because some politicians are aggressive doesn't mean the other politicians are not aggressive. We cannot imply that other politicians are not aggressive. So conclusion 1 contradicts statement 2. So conclusion 1 is invalid. Conclusion 2, some players are politicians. तो जहाँ पे players और politicians के बीच में कोई relationship ही नहीं है, तो conclusion 2 भी invalid होगा. तो neither 1 nor 2. Option D is correct answer. So we have completed 2020 question paper. Let's start 2019 question paper. Question number 26. Arrange the following terms in a meaningful logical order indicating the correct sequence. Grass, curd, milk, cow, butter. So correct sequence क्या होगा? First, cow, the source. Then it eats grass, produces milk, curd is made from milk, and butter churned from curd. So correct sequence क्या होगा? 4, 1, 3, 2, 5. 4, 1, 3, 2, 5. Option D is correct answer. Next, if the term HJLN is converted into ILOR, then by the same principle, what could be the correct alternative for the term DFHJ? So H plus 1 I, J के बाद plus 2 J K L, L के बाद plus 3 M N O और N के बाद plus 4 and O P Q R. तो अप्लाइंग द सेम प्रिंसिपल, D plus 1, D के बाद आएगा ई एफ के बाद +2, जी एच के बाद +3, आई जे के और जे के बाद +4, के एल एम एन। तो करेक्ट सीक्वेंस क्या होगा? ऑप्शन बी, ई एच के एन। नेक्स्ट, parrots have a green color. This statement is a perception, inference, comparison or implication. Perception क्या होता है? It is based on direct observation. Directly देखकर बता सकते हैं कि parrots have a green color. So option A is correct answer. Inference क्या होता है? It involves reasoning beyond direct observation. Comparison, two or more things required to compare different things. Implications क्या होता है? Suggest something indirectly. So option A is correct answer. Next, which of the following are the valid conclusion based on the statement given below? Statement 1, all donkeys are hardworking. All donkeys are hardworking. Statement 2, some hardworking animals are human beings. Some hardworking animals are human beings. ये भी हो सकता है या फिर ये भी हो सकता है. Conclusion 1, some donkeys are hardworking. Correct, क्योंकि all donkeys are hardworking, so conclusion 1 is valid. Some donkeys are human beings. Conclusion 2, some donkeys are human beings. क्या ये वाला पार्ट है या ये वाला पार्ट है? क्लियरली स्टेटमेंट नहीं दिया है, इसलिए conclusion 2 is invalid. तो only conclusion 1 is valid. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट आंसर. सेट ने सी दिया है विच इज रॉन्ग, क्योंकि कंक्लूजन 2 क्लियर नहीं करता है कि वेदर ऑल डोंकीज आर ह्यूमन बींग्स और नॉट. तो ऑप्शन सी इज नॉट करेक्ट आंसर. सेट हैज गिवन सी ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट, which of the following diagram shows the correct relationship among boys, students, girls? तो स्टूडेंट्स में कुछ बॉयज भी होंगे और कुछ गर्ल्स भी होंगे. तो कुछ ऐसे भी बॉयज होंगे जो स्टूडेंट्स नहीं है और कुछ ऐसे भी गर्ल्स है जो स्टूडेंट नहीं है. तो ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट आंसर. दिस एरिया रिप्रेजेंट्स स्टूडेंट्स. दिस इज बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स. सम गर्ल्स आर स्टूडेंट्स, some boys are students, some girls are not student, some boys are not students. So correct option is option A. We have completed 2019 question paper. Let's start with 2018 question paper. Question number 31. Which of the following will complete the series? 17, 23, 37, 53. Next number. So all these numbers are prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which are divided by 1 or by itself. So for example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and so on. So 17 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th prime number. तो उसके बाद +2 करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर होगा 23. +3 नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर होगा 37. +4 नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर होगा 53. +5 करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट नंबर होगा 73. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. नेक्स्ट, which of the following will complete the series? E, F, G, I, J, K, N, O, P, डैश, A, B, C. तो हर एक के बीच में एक एक का गैप है. अब देखते हैं इन दोनों के बीच में कितने का गैप है. G, H, I एक का गैप है. K, L, M 2 का गैप है. P फिर हमें 3 का गैप रखना है. तो P के बाद Q, R, S, T, U, V. फिर 4 का गैप रख के देखते हैं. W, X, Y, Z. फिर आएगा A, B, C. तो इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में T, V will be the correct answer. Option B. Next, in the code language, word Chennai is coded as this. Then what is the code for the word Sangli? तो इफ यू कैन सी चेन्नई का आई लास्ट लेटर और सांगली का आई लास्ट लेटर है, तो यहाँ पर लास्ट में कोड है 10। तो ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर बिकॉज गिवन ऑप्शन में से सिर्फ एक ही ऑप्शन में लास्ट में 10 है। पर अगर हमें लॉजिकल देखना है तो ए बी सी डी ये सब सीक्वेंस में लिखेंगे, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ लेटर फिफ्थ सिक्स। तो चेन्नई का सी थर्ड लेटर है, 3+1 करके यहाँ पर 4 नंबर है। वैसे ही एच लेटर इज जी एच, तो एथ लेटर है एच, उसमें एक ऐड किया और यहाँ पर कोड है 9। तो सेम वे सांगली का हमें लेटर आइडेंटिफाई करना है, उसमें एक लेटर ऐड करके कोड बनेगा 20, क्योंकि एस 19th लेटर होगा। सिमिलरली ए इज फर्स्ट लेटर, उसमें एक ऐड किया तो 2। तो ऐसे कंटिन्यू करते रहना है। नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग शोज द करेक्ट रिलेशनशिप अमंग प्लेयर्स, कबड्डी प्लेयर्स एंड फुटबॉल प्लेयर्स। तो प्लेयर्स कॉमन होंगे, इसमें कबड्डी के प्लेयर्स भी होंगे, फुटबॉल के प्लेयर्स भी होंगे। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, प्लेयर्स, कबड्डी प्लेयर्स एंड फुटबॉल प्लेयर्स। नेक्स्ट, इफ अ फुटबॉल इज लाइटर देन टेनिस बॉल, तो ये ग्रेविटी होगा। फुटबॉल इज लाइटर देन टेनिस बॉल, तो टेनिस बॉल पहले गिरेगा, फुटबॉल बाद में गिरेगा, इसलिए वो ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स के अकॉर्डिंग मैंने सीक्वेंस बनाया। फुटबॉल इज लाइटर देन टेनिस बॉल, बास्केटबॉल इज हेवियर देन टेनिस बॉल, तो ये बास्केटबॉल है जो टेनिस बॉल से पहले गिरेगा क्योंकि बास्केटबॉल इज हेवियर, बट लाइटर देन हैंडबॉल, और basketball is lighter than handball means handball is more heavier than basketball. Then which is the correct ascending order of the ball in the terms of weight? तो ascending order क्या होगा? फुटबॉल, टेनिस बॉल, बास्केटबॉल, हैंडबॉल। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, फुटबॉल, टेनिस बॉल, basketball and handball. Last question. Based on the following statement, which of the following conclusion given below follows? Statement A, B, conclusion 1 and 2 are given. Statement A, all animals are intelligent and all intelligent things are human beings. All animals are intelligent and all intelligent things are human beings. Statement B, some children are innocent. Some children are innocent. Conclusion 1, some animals are human beings. All animals are intelligent and all intelligent things are human beings. So we can say some animals are human beings. Correct. Conclusion 1 is correct. Conclusion 2, some children are not innocent. This area represents some children that are not innocent. So conclusion 2 is also correct statement. So option C is correct answer. Both 1 and 2 are correct. So we have completed 2018 to 2024 question papers for Unit 6 Logical Reasoning. Bye. Happy learning.